They're very special ones. If you remember the movie Birdcage, they made it after that exact set right there. Ladies and gentlemen, boys, girls, pirates, we're here. We're about to do something different than I've ever done. We're gonna have a 3, 2, 1 sale. We feel like we have less spots today than we normally do. We got baskets. Get them all, they're hot. So we're here setting up our booth, and I don't know what these are. Believe it or not, Alex made it.
Maybe looking for some pine cones.
2 days in a row he's late. 2.
Me?
Yeah, 2.
Even though I doubled back to get you.
Technically, no. This one was made in Alamo, 1974. It's got some Chinese words with the sun rising. It says, the sun will rise and today it will set.
That's good.
Yeah. What's up? Oh, nothing. We're just chilling. We're selling pottery here. Hand woven. I'm in one of those moods today. We'll be on fire today. $2.50. Look, we're slashing prices. Those were $2.50 each. There's 3 of those. That's $7.50. We only want 3. Look at that. Whole bunch of baskets. $3 bill sale, sir. Everything is $3.
I know I was tripping out when I seen it too.
More you buy, cheaper it gets, kinda. Is that Thai stick? You're welcome.
There is a test. When you fell down and everybody laughs, you're young. And when you fell down, everybody like, what happened to you? I'm old.
Yeah.
I'm old.
I said click by some baskets, flowers. I didn't click. This is real talk. Oh, we got the, if you like green, because you don't want pollution, we got the biodegradable flower pots. Oh man, that is a lovely set right there. I'm asking $3 each. That would be $9. Alex, can you count this for me? How many pieces are in here? I can't count.
Man, if you just don't add that box up.
Ma'am, how about 300? Give me 40 for all of it. Give me 40. 40 for that whole box of vases. That looks like, give me 5. Hours an item earlier. Look at it. What'd you get for this one?
About 40 bucks.
40 bucks. Wow. That's, I would have got more.
Like $2, $3 a piece.
Have them come to me next time.
Buy 10 baskets.
I'll get more. That is 15 for the 3 of those. Those are very special ones. If you remember the movie Birdcage, they made it after that exact set right there. We got baskets, cups, flowers, vases. That's $3. Oh, what's it? Ooh, this is a big old cart of stuff.
That's ours.
How much? What are they, ma'am? What is it? I don't even know what's in there. What are they like? Oh, 10 bucks a set. 10 bucks a set. Emporium Capwell Vintage, yeah, that is definitely a good deal. $10 a set. That would be 40 for all 4. One $10 cada uno. There's 4 makes quachenta. Those are vintage, very old. Oh man, that is a beautiful stack of placemats there. These are 100% pandan, hand woven in the Philippines. Give me $8 for all of them. Hey.
Mike, open this. There's money in it.
Where? I'm coming, ma'am.
I don't need all this. I need just only that.
Okay, 30.
No, I think
Yeah, give me 30 bucks. Look how many there are. How many pieces do you have in there?
it's 27.
Okay, give me 25. That looks like 5.
Thank you.
$5.
27.
More stuff? Where at? Oh, wow. Those are beautiful right there. Placemats and give me 20 for everything. How's that? That's like a heck of a deal. Come on down, everybody. Welcome to Pier 1 Exports.
25, you said, Mike?
For what?
That stuff?
Yeah.
Man, come to me next time.
Pier 1 Exports, guys. We got it all.
Okay?
Come to me next time. I'll get more.
Give me 2.
Thank you.
There is a basket shortage. Bid and blocked all imports on baskets. This will be the last shipment coming in anytime soon. Get it while it's hot. Those are top hats.
How much is that?
They're $2.50 each. There's 3 of them. That would be $7.50. Give me 5 for all 3.
Five for all of us. Hey, brother.
Hey,
You take it. This out only.
it comes together, ma'am. It's a package deal.
It's stuck.
You need to take the contents with it.
Okay, I pay. Okay.
All right, wonderful. Brato, we are having a sale here. Amazing items at amazing prices. Oh, look at that basket. $2. $2. 1 dollar. That like this. 2 and 2. $4. It's a good deal. Alex, could she get a $1 back? And you take the 5. I'll help your sales out.
I don't need it. My son.
Yeah, when you're cooking, you make the soup with these, like the Baileys, and you put the chicken, the noodles in there, and put 2 or 3 of these, let it boil for like 3 hours. Oh, it's this right here. They're $1 each.
$1 each?
Yeah.
I take those.
You get all of them for 15. That's fair. 15 for that. Some more here. Give me 3. 3 for 2, yes. $2 each, 3 for 2.
And this one?
I know.
This right here is, that looks like 4. What do we got here? I don't have change, do I? What I tell you? Yeah, I do. Okay, I'll go make it, give you 9. So there you go. Everything's $1 now or what?
We been at $1.
$1 each, $1 cada uno.
Damn. 30, 40, 50.
I need 5 more.
Thank you.
I need 5.
You guys want that? Thank you. Yeah.
See you later, ma'am.
Is that 5 or 4?
That's 5.
Oh, you paid him?
Okay.
Pretty good.
I got 6 of these.
All right, $6. It's looking desolate over here. We'll hope the new units are better than this one.
This one is so bad.
Yeah, you don't know what we paid for it though. You would feel really bad for us if you did. It's okay. Can't win them all, right?
No.
There as well. I could be wrong, but oh ma'am, look at those scissors. Those are for fabric. You use them for sewing and stuff. They work good. $1 each. Okay. So that's 4 altogether.
$1. Everything $1 here. $1.
$1 cada uno.
That's it. 4 quarters and all the above. Free.
There's no way.
There's no way this stuff is free, but guess what? It's free.
It's free. Everything.
Free.
Except for this, this, and this.
Except for these 3 things.
These 3 things.
But everything else is free.
Free.
Free. Everything free?
Free.
Don't make a mess. But it's free.
We have boxes. Fill one up. Just grab it and don't fight over it, but you know,
Came back for
it's all right if you're a little aggressive. Can you define good?
Not that side, not over there, just over here.
Compared to other flea markets.
Yeah, all through over
No.
free.
What other places you go to?
I only sell here. Other flea markets I shop at. Here I sell.
Really? It's funny.
It is very funny. I have a lot of laughs. If I told you that, then you would know where to find my stuff, and I can't do that.
Santa Rosa.
Santa Rosa, yeah.
No, I don't drive that far.
What I could tell you is if you went on YouTube and subscribe to this channel, you can watch me and you might be able to piece it
Free.
together, but I can't tell you where I
Everything's
find
free.
all my treasure.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Free, free, free!
I can't.
Free! What is this?
All right, I'll take your
This is who? You want to tell me what this is?
This right here, sir, is on florists. They make multiple floral arrangements, and this right here is for when you start a floral arrangement for a casket. You drape it over here, same shape, and you build it up and put it. What makes this piece interesting is that it's so vintage that it's seen so many caskets that just the thought of that alone makes this piece special.
Creepy.
Yeah.
Everybody cringes when you say it. It's like, whoa. Gratis!
Free, free, free!
So, cut your losses, move forward. It's the easier way to go sometimes. But this is an important thing also to understand, right? Is that storage units are losses, right? Say it with me.
Losses.
Losses. It's not all found gold, found gun, found safe.
Anything else?
You gotta come sooner.
You're more than welcome to take whatever you want, free of charge.
Huh?
Get a break. Prague, break. I sold that one behind the tall one and the other one for 20 bucks.
Nice.
Yeah, I just did it.
That's good, and especially considering you broke them or you're dropping them.
I just did it.
Yeah.
And Mike, I just gave you 20 bucks and I made you back.
That is
That's his business.
that is the entire world. It's all about giving and getting. That's why losses are wins. That's the problem, is they also overheat. The newer one is nicer though. Here we go, watch out. It's gravity, dear. Waltzing gravity. Very similar. That's how you feel better.
Good job, Jack Albert.
Brakes, I almost cussed. And then you could do things like this. There's other ways of doing it, like this. Like,
Lift that whole thing over the road.
yeah. Pirates and storage stalkers. He's over here somewhere. We're at the flea market and we bought these units and we're final day of selling at the flea market.
This one's almost empty. Can I have them both?
Sure.
You can check it.
Just like this, I've got everything unloaded. This is our mid-grade bestest stuff, our best flea market stuff. Lots of craftsmen, lots of stuff. Look at all this. Waterford, yada yada. I'm done unloading. Alex is on break. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at him. He's been on break. I've been unloading everything. Nothing's changed. Nothing's changed. We're back to business as usual.
Right, came up, said he subscribed and he watched us. Go to your YouTube on your phone. If you're subscribed to us, $3 is yours.
He's saying if you
Got
pull
your
out your
phone?
phone and you're subscribed to us, he's gonna...
My phone's dead right
Oh!
now, bro. We'll do this next time, though. Next time, for sure. Now he's gonna go and get subscribed. You see that? I want to get all this in the background. How's everyone doing, man? Does that thing really work? Is that about right here? Right here? Right there, yeah. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. All right, we got a fellow seller right here, Ruben. How's it going, everyone? I just want to say that he is in the business like everyone else. You see the trailer over there, you see the van, you see we're all selling. Everyone sells different styles. He has a lot of stuff out here. How was today? How was today? Good. Did you? Oh, okay. All right. Well, you see, everyone's out here making money. You know what? Go like, share, and subscribe. And yes, what's Emmanuel's page? I can't say it.
Comprado depósitos abandonados.
Perfect. Go subscribe.
Despacito.
Thank you. Appreciate it, bro.
That thing really works?
No.
But you were being filmed.
I was like, seriously, like I think the batteries are dead by now.
We're done. Here's our last little dump load. Wrap it up. Believe it or not, this man broke a sweat. Oh, come on. You want to give a shout out to your son?
No, he wants you to do it for you.
You said your name is Adrian?
Yeah.
Welcome. Adrian wants to give a shout out to his son.
Hey, shout out to my son Michael.
Hey, that's a great name, huh?
Yes, it is. How you doing, Adrian?
How you doing, man?
How you doing, son,
He
Michael?
always watches your videos, Pirate.
That's awesome. I appreciate that.
Yeah,
Now he'll get a shout out. Flea market. Thursday morning. Look at that sunrise, guys. Look at that. It's beautiful. We're all here. We've got just the pickup unloaded. Already getting a crowd. We got tables everywhere. Brought that one full of stuff. The back was full of furniture, and now we're about to get crazy. My back's hurting, so I told them guys, I'm not helping you with this piece today. I did this one the other day. You guys can get this. We got stuff everywhere. Look at this. We're all the way down to there. This unit was massive. Look at that. All the way down. That is one thing that's true. You're definitely the oldest man here.
Oldest man known to man.
Oldest man in existence. Look at him go. Look at these guys. You guys can do great work. Right there, nice couch, $40. Gratis! Gratis, gratis!